as a strategy for people at home, you have to find a stock that you never could believe has come down so far and buy some.
Are those some of the FANG stocks? Because we're going to get a lot of earnings. We're in a Fed quiet period. And these stocks, a lot of them, Tom Lee of Fundstrat says, a lot of them are looking like value stocks. He looks at Meta, which reports on Wednesday.
Meta's arguably at 14 times earnings. And Meta's very interesting because no one expects a good quarter. So what happens if Mark Zuckerberg says, I've solved the Reels, and Reels will be ready in fourth quarter versus TikTok, and I've been able to figure out third party versus first party. Now, I know that Zuckerberg is working on these things.
Barron's doesn't seem to like it. Negative cover.
Are they at Facebook too, like I am? Good for them. I didn't know. I didn't bump into them. Now, when you look at Alphabet, Alphabet's got a very nice cash situation. Now, there are people saying their ads have weakened. Those of us who've used their ads know the ROI is extraordinarily good. Amazon, Andrew did this great. He was there all day. And if you bother to listen on the day that Elon Musk decided to ruin the exclusive, you heard that there's absolutely no way that Amazon isn't doing well. So I don't know. And Netflix is still hanging over us, isn't it?
Yes. So maybe replace the N in FANG with NVIDIA. Have you done that yet?
I backed away from FANG entirely. Having created FANG, I've walked away. And NVIDIA is very difficult.
I was asking your permission to change it.
Of course. NVIDIA is difficult because you've got both gaming, which obviously from Activision Blizzard is a disaster, and you have some reason people are tagging that as crypto. Now remember, they only make crypto cards from the cards that fail to be able to measure up to high performance computing. But it's
not like they've got some big bet on mining.
No,
it does trade that way sometimes.
They're only using the throwaways.
Yeah.
But I just find that NVIDIA is another stock that's hung. You don't know where the bottom is. But you know what? Again, I find these situations where when they're in free fall, attractive. Because most of the time they're not in free fall.
Look what they've done this month. NVIDIA down almost 30%.
Oh, no, these are disastrous.
On the month. Netflix, we know what happened there. Any read-throughs from Netflix, do you think? Any of the other big names?
Well, look, I mean, obviously, this Warner is very, very tough. People want to read
tomorrow.
Through a lot.
Should be interesting with
CNN
CNN
I think that,
debacle.
That's become a parlor game of what really happened and who knows what. I kind of find it boring, but media loves to talk about media. Let's talk about the things that you've been seeing. Let's talk about Lulu last week. Okay, Lulu was extraordinary. Why? Sui generis. No one has their kind of product.
I saw your interview with Calvin McDonald.
Did you not think he was totally under control in this situation?
Absolutely. And what was weird was the market reaction on that day. It sold off. Why? Those are pretty aggressive long-term targets, and they didn't even incorporate some of the sort of net benefits like new product categories around yoga and sneakers.
Well, let's flip that. Maybe it just shouldn't have sold off. Then we leave it at that. Man has a 5-year plan. You saw what the plan is. It's rather extraordinary. Others are falling apart in the category. So you put Lulu in your shopping list because it should not have gone down. And we'll look back and say, why? I remember that Monday. Lulu was down a lot. What, did they like it? And the answer is yes.
You're about the upside risks today. That's what I'm taking out of every conversation, every topic with you. We can look at those too, because there's a lot of focus on downside. They're playing the music, which means I have to go.
No, that's a different hour.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.